What simple picture helps explain how amino acids form proteins? A. Coins stacked into a tower. B. Puzzle pieces clicking into a chain. C. Clouds drifting in the sky. D. Balls bouncing apart. The correct answer is option B. Puzzle pieces clicking into a chain. What core function do amino acids serve? A. They provide direct energy like glucose. B. They form chains that fold into proteins. C. They create body fat for storage. D. They supply oxygen to cells. The right answer is option B. They form chains that fold into proteins. What happens first when one amino acid meets another? A. They bounce apart like magnets. B. They share electrons randomly. C. One amino acid bonds with its special end. D. They fold immediately into a protein. The correct choice here is option C. One amino acid bonds with its special end. What determines a protein's job? A. The color of the amino acids. B. The final folded shape of the chain. C. The amount of water in the cell. D. The temperature of the environment. The answer you were looking for is option B. The final folded shape of the chain. Why does knowing amino acids help in science? A. They explain how fruits grow. B. They help understand proteins that drive cell processes. C. They make it easier to memorize the periodic table. D. They show how plants use sunlight. The correct answer on this question is option B. They help understand proteins that drive cell processes. Where do you commonly get amino acids in your daily life? A. Sand and water. B. Eggs, beans, milk, and nuts. C. Plastic wrappers. D. Air and sunlight. The right choice in this case is option B. Eggs, beans, milk, and nuts. What memory tool can help you remember amino acids? A. A flashing traffic light. B. A tiny toolbox filled with glowing blocks. C. A spinning bicycle wheel. D. A bouncing rubber ball. The correct answer is option B. A tiny toolbox filled with glowing blocks. Why do doctors care about amino acids? A. They predict eye color. B. They support healing, hormones, and enzyme function. C. They make bones harder than metal. D. They increase lung size. The correct choice here is option B. They support healing, hormones, and enzyme function. What happens as more amino acids join the chain? A. The chain gets weaker. B. The chain starts bending into shapes. C. The chain disappears. D. The chain becomes toxic. Here is the correct answer. Option B. The chain starts bending into shapes. Why are amino acids important for life? A. They control the weather. B. They form proteins that run the body. C. They clean the air. D. They make plants turn blue. Here is the correct answer. Option B. They form proteins that run the body. If this sparked curiosity, share a thought and join the Growth Lab journey. Learning grows stronger together. Brains remember better when tested. Watch the full episode and the quiz episode to lock it in.
See you in the next episode.